Hey, it's Julianne. Today is Monday, June 15th, and I'm here at Cary Quilting Company on a cold and rainy day. This has us thinking about Christmas as our Christmas lines are starting to arrive. And the beautiful line that we have here is called Marche de Noël by Three Sisters for Moda. This means Christmas market, and this line is just beautiful. Let's start with this piece, kind of a collage look in the Three Sisters typical colors, the softer blues, pinks, and greens with a cream background. And then I'll just let you kind of take a walk down the line to see all the different pretty colors. We also have pre-cuts. We've got layer cakes and jelly rolls, as well as a beautiful kit that I'll show you in just a minute. So up top here, we have layer cakes and jelly rolls. These are 10-inch squares, and these are 2.5-inch strips. And then this is the kit option. This is a good size quilt, a queen size quilt. It finishes at 72 inches by 90 inches. The kit includes the pattern and fabrics for the quilt top and binding, and it can be yours. We have several here in the shop. So now that we're starting to get our Christmas lines in, it might be time to start thinking about what you're going to be doing for Christmas projects for people, or holiday projects for the upcoming season. I know it feels early, but generally takes people a little bit of time to make quilts. So we appreciate you watching today. We do have more fabric in the back, so I'll be showing you more things later this week. Have a great afternoon.